Honey for sore throat. Honey has antibacterial properties and can help soothe a sore throat. Mix 1-2 tablespoons of honey with warm water or herbal tea and drink it several times a day to relieve discomfort. Ginger for nausea. Ginger is known for its anti-nausea properties. Sip on ginger tea or chew on a small piece of raw ginger to alleviate nausea and settle the stomach. Salt water gargle for mouth sores. Gargling with warm salt water can help soothe mouth sores or ulcers. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle with it several times a day. Peppermint oil for headaches. Peppermint oil has a cooling effect and may help alleviate headaches. Dilute a few drops of peppermint oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and apply it to your temples or the back of your neck for relief. Turmeric for inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to warm milk or incorporate it into your cooking to help reduce inflammation. Aloe vera for sunburn. Aloe vera gel can provide soothing relief for sunburned skin. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the affected area to moisturize and cool the skin. Chamomile for sleep troubles. Chamomile tea is often used as a natural remedy for insomnia or sleep troubles. Drink a cup of chamomile tea before bed to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Apple cider vinegar for digestive issues. Apple cider vinegar has been used to alleviate digestive issues like indigestion and bloating. Mix 1-2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before meals to support digestion. Remember, these remedies are not meant to replace professional medical advice. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 large onions, thinly sliced 2 cloves of garlic, minced 1 cup fresh or frozen peas, 1 cup fresh or frozen broad beans, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme leaves, salt and pepper to taste, 1 package of vegan phyllo pastry sheets, olive oil or melted vegan butter for brushing instructions. Preheat your oven to 188 degrees C, 358 degrees F. Heat the olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and cook, stirring occasionally, until they become soft and caramelized. About 15-20 minutes. Add the minced garlic to the pan and cook for another minute until fragrant. Add the peas, broad beans, and fresh thyme leaves to the pan. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Cook for about 5 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Remove from heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Take a sheet of phyllo pastry and brush it lightly with olive oil or melted vegan butter. Layer another sheet on top and repeat the process until you have 5-6 layers of phyllo pastry. Spoon the pea, broad bean, and caramelized onion mixture onto one end of the phyllo pastry layers, leaving a border around the edges. Carefully roll the phyllo pastry over the filling to create a log shape. Tuck in the ends to seal the pie. Brush the top of the phyllo pastry with a little more olive oil or melted vegan butter to help it turn golden brown when baking. Place the phyllo pie on a baking tray and bake in the preheated oven for about 25-30 minutes, or until the paste. Importance of carbs in our diet. Carbohydrates are an essential nutrient that our bodies need to function properly. They provide us with energy, help our brains and nervous systems function, and aid in the digestion process. When we consume carbohydrates, they are broken down into glucose, which is used as fuel for our cells. Carbs also contain fiber, which is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system and preventing chronic diseases. In fact, studies have shown that diets high in whole grain carbohydrates can reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Therefore, including carbs in our diet is crucial for overall health and well-being. Carbs provide energy for our bodies. Carbohydrates, commonly known as carbs, are the primary source of energy for our bodies. They provide glucose that is needed to fuel our muscles and brain. When we consume carbs, they are broken down into glucose molecules which are then transported to cells and used as energy. In fact, the brain relies solely on glucose for its energy needs. Without a sufficient intake of carbs, we may feel lethargic and sluggish due to a lack of energy. Therefore, it is important to include healthy sources of carbohydrates in our diet such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Carbs are essential for brain function. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for the human brain. When we consume carbs, They are broken down into glucose, which is then used as fuel for our brain cells. Without enough glucose, our cognitive function can suffer, leading to difficulties with memory, attention and decision-making. In fact, studies have shown that low-carb diets can impair cognitive performance in both the short and long term. Carbs also help regulate serotonin levels in the brain, which can improve mood and reduce anxiety. Therefore, it's important to include healthy sources of carbohydrates in your diet to support. Feng Shui is a Chinese philosophy that focuses on creating harmony and balance in one's environment. When applied to the kitchen, Feng Shui can create a space that promotes health, happiness, and abundance. By balancing the 5 elements of wood, fire, earth, metal, and water in the kitchen, one can enhance the energy flow and create a positive atmosphere for cooking and dining. Incorporating Feng Shui principles in the kitchen can also lead to better digestion of food, improved relationships with family members or housemates, and increased prosperity. Decluttering your kitchen for better energy flow. Decluttering your kitchen is essential for better energy flow. A cluttered kitchen can cause chaos and stress, affecting the overall well-being of the home. Start by removing anything that you don't use regularly or that doesn't belong in the kitchen. This can include old appliances, expired foods, and unnecessary utensils. Organize your cabinets and pantry to create a sense of order and ease when cooking or preparing meals. Avoid overcrowding your countertops with too many appliances or decorative items, as this can also disrupt the energy flow. Keep only what you need and love in your kitchen to promote positive energy in this heart of the home. Optimizing the placement of appliances and furniture. Optimizing the placement of appliances and furniture is essential for a harmonious. A healthy diet provides essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, that support the immune system's optimal functioning. These nutrients help to strengthen immune responses, enhance the production of antibodies, and promote the activity of immune cells. Conversely, a poor diet lacking in essential nutrients can compromise immune function. A diet that is high in processed foods, added sugars, unhealthy fats, and low in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins may lead to deficiencies in key nutrients and increase the risk of chronic health conditions. These conditions, such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease, are associated with a higher risk. Certainly, I can assist you with that. Detox drinks can help clean and nourish your body, promoting overall health and wellness. Here are 4 easy-to-make detox drinks that can help cleanse your most vital organs. 1. Lemon and ginger detox drink. This classic detox drink is simple to make and can help flush toxins out of your liver and kidneys. All you need is hot water, the juice of 1 lemon, and a few slices of fresh ginger root. Let this steep for a few minutes before drinking. 2. Green tea detox drink. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radicals and promote liver function. Brew your green tea as you normally would and add fresh lemon juice and a pinch of cayenne pepper for extra detox benefits. 3. Apple cider vinegar detox drink. Apple cider vinegar is a potent detoxifier and can help stimulate your digestive system. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water, add a teaspoon of honey, and drink before meals. 4. Berry and beet detox drink. This fruity and colorful detox drink is packed with nutrients that help support liver function and promote overall health. Blend together a handful of mixed berries, half a beet, a splash of Nigel Slater's green vegetable crumble. Ingredients: 500 grams mixed green vegetables, such as broccoli, peas, spinach, asparagus, etc. 50 grams butter, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 300 milliliters milk, 100 grams cheddar cheese, grated 100 grams breadcrumbs, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your oven to 208 degrees C, 188 degrees C fan, gas mark 6. Prepare the green vegetables by washing and chopping them into bite-sized pieces. Steam or boil the vegetables until they are just tender. Drain and set aside. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and stir for a minute to form a smooth paste. Roux. Gradually whisk in the milk, making sure there are no lumps. Cook the sauce for a few minutes until it thickens. Remove the saucepan from heat and stir in half of the grated cheese. Season with salt and pepper to taste. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked green vegetables with the cheese sauce. Mix well to coat the vegetables evenly. Transfer the mixture to an oven-proof dish. In a separate bowl, mix the remaining grated cheese with the breadcrumbs. Sprinkle this mixture evenly over the vegetable mixture. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until the crumble topping turns golden brown and the filling